Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So this is the first video of this year. So happy new year to you all. And again, let's discuss with the help of the data points what we are expecting next. So for talking about Friday and Thursday, so the money flow, I made it live, and I mean those who are not members, you could have gone through this link and checked it out. So Thursday the money flow was throughout positive in the from the morning, and market went up. And Friday again, this is like the money flow was negative from the morning, and market went down. So Sensex expiry was also there. And for talking about Sensex expiry, so this is the members channel, and again, these were the trades taken. I also posted the screenshots on X, and so you can also pause the video and check it out. So, anyways, again, this is for the Thursday, and like this is the January 1st, and I think the rest were shown earlier. So, again, if you want such live analysis during the live market hours and want to get access to the money flow, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. So, now let's talk about on the charts. So, talking about on the charts, if you look at here, that is 24,128 as we talked about. Nifty crossed it. Okay, so but the breakout failed here, and then it went down and got resistance at this level, and finally even like 24,061 also gave resistance. So it's just because like these traders who like the big guys who shorted 24,000, so they were stuck. Okay, so that's why market like moved to 24,000. So we'll go to the option chain and also discuss there. Talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty again, this level like 51,700 to 51,578. So this range was discussed a lot of times in the past 2 weeks. So Bank Nifty is getting resistance there for most of the days. So be careful about that. And talking about the other data point, so let's go to uh, one more thing is that Sensex expiry. So talking about Sensex expiry, from this week onwards we have it on Tuesdays. So be careful, like it's 7 Jan is the Sensex expiry, so tomorrow it will be one day to expire. So going back to the EOD data. So EOD data, if you look at here, that is FIIs are doing like fresh short positions in the futures. So they have heavy short positions in the futures, but again, like for the past 1 year, whenever they do this, market usually goes against their direction. So I don't heavily rely upon these that data particularly. Okay, so again, talking about prop decks are like neutral, so in the futures positions. But on Wednesday, just before the Nifty expiry, so if you go and check, the like they took 14,000 some positions in the long, and then the next day Nifty rallied. Okay, so yeah, prop decks, if they take some heavy positions in the futures, it's quite reliable. I've seen that I mean in the past 6 to 8 months I've seen that. Okay, so I have also said that because why, because it can be a speculative, it can be a speculation. So what I feel is that Mota Bhai has entered the market, and somehow like whenever such big positions or some big guy is in the prop deck section, and it could be also like you know that Zerodha also has their prop deck, so they can also be the one who are like they managing the market. So like they might have now the money to manage the market even. So yeah, so the main point is like someone big is there, and whenever they take in the prop deck section, and whenever they take a huge quantity in the futures, so usually it follows, we have seen. So even the December month, the fall came. So just before that, like November 28, it started the prop decks. They took position. They started averaging out like throughout 1.5 weeks. They started. They went on averaging out the future short positions. The market went against their position, and then finally the fall came. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. That yeah. So it's following. And talking about here, that is in the option chain. So option chain, mostly like call writing has been done by the FIIs, and put writing you can say, but the put writing is like almost, the put writing and the put buying is almost the same. But let's look at the overall data. So talking about prop decks, they have done call buying and put buying. So I would consider the put as like put buying, and on the call side I'll consider it as like uh, call writing. Okay, so I think some have bought it, but again let's consider it as I'll be considering it as writing, because FIIs have also written calls. So yes, it might be that some prop decks are bullish, some are bearish. Okay, so it's not like one institution is prop decks, so whatever they are taking positions collectively, so it's like some prop decks can also be bullish. But let's look at the overall data. So overall data, FIIs are called shorts overall, and on the put side, like they are put buyers, but again not much, not heavy put buying. Okay, so on the other hand, like prop decks are called writers. You can see like almost call buying and call writing are in the same amount, and they are put buyers. So again, that can be seen like overall put buying has happened from the prop deck section, and call writing has happened. Okay, so that is like the data is suggesting that again, so situation could be like bearish to neutral to bearish. Okay, no, I'm not saying heavily bearish or something. So again, data might develop like, and then we can go heavily bearish. But again, things are like it's kind of a like a sell on rise market. Okay, so that's what the data points are suggesting. Okay, and now talking about the option chain 24K, as you can see, like both sides, like 55 and 51. So again, for this week it might be like both side moves and finally ends at 24K. So 9 Jan, we have only like 4 days remaining, so that could be a possibility. And also like some in the money call writers are trapped, and also like in the money put writers are also trapped. Okay, so both the sides, like we have positions which are trapped. But if you look at the put side, so put side in the money positions are heavy, so we have to be careful about that. And but again, on the other hand, we are seeing that the prop decks and the FII is like the prop decks especially, they have done put buying, so these could be in the money put buyers as well. Okay, so now talking about let's go and check out Sensex. We have like 2 days to expire Sensex. So if we like go to here, that is we can see 79,500, but again you see that it's totally blank. Okay, so don't take I mean, it's not a very good idea to conclude something from this data. So I think we should wait for tomorrow. Let's see how things builds up here. And talking about Bank Nifty, so mostly like if you see 52,000 and then 53,000 where these positions are being taken. And again, this is the monthly expiry, so be careful. So this is not nothing monthly, so that's why the premiums are very high. Like even in 54,000, like 15 lakhs, 53,000, 16 lakhs. Okay, 52,000, 17 lakhs. So this is where like most of the positions are getting built up. Okay, and also like put side, if you see the not much position, even like if you go out of the money as well. So even if you go at 50,000, then also you see like 11 lakhs contracts are there. While if you go and see 51,500, so 11 lakhs contracts are there. So while market is at 50, let's consider it as like 50,000 nine, also 51,000, let's consider it as. Okay, so 51,000, but if you see here, that is even at 51,000, 8.2 lakhs contracts are there. So and 51,500 you see 11 lakhs contracts, while going down like even at 50,000, so which is 1,000 points away, so still 11 lakhs contracts are there. So that's why I'm saying like again, I'm not saying heavily bearish or something. So again, market could be on a everything is giving a direction of sell on rise market. Okay, so this is the first week. Let's again take it slow and let the things develop, and then when the big guys take heavy positions, then we can conclude heavily. We can conclude with a strong. We could be confident about our conclusion, but for now, again, it's like data points are very less, and all it's suggesting is that it could be a sell on rise. So again, that's it for this video. So again, like if you want to be a member and wants to get the access to the money flow indicators, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.